When should you consult a specialist for recurrent miscarriages? Miscarriage is one of the most painful experiences a couple can go through. It's not about a loss. It's the loss of dreams, of hope, of a future that was already imagined. But when this heartbreak happens not once, but twice or more, the emotional toll becomes almost unbearable. You start asking yourself, why us? Why again? What are we missing? If you've been through this, know this, you are not alone. And more importantly, there is help. Today I want to speak from the heart and from science about recurrent pregnancy loss, when you should seek help, and how the right care at the right time can completely change your story. Understanding recurrent pregnancy loss, let's begin with clarity. Recurrent pregnancy loss, or RPL, is typically defined as 2 or more consecutive miscarriages. Now, miscarriage can happen to anyone. It's more common than we talk about. But when it repeats, it's no longer just a chance event. It becomes a signal, a whisper from the body that something deeper may be going on, whether medically, genetically, or immunologically. At this point, waiting or hoping it will fix itself may not be the best path. Every medical evaluation becomes not only important, it becomes empowering, because knowledge is power. And it helps you take back control. When should you seek specialist care? If you've experienced 2 or more miscarriages, or you're struggling to conceive again after repeated loss, that is your sign. It's time to speak to get expert help. Why is timing critical? Because every delay brings more than just physical impact. It adds to emotional stress, to uncertainty, and sometimes even to lost treatment windows. At this point, seeking a fertility specialist, or better yet, a reproductive immunology expert, can open doors that routine testing may never uncover. And that's where we come in. What makes Dr. Raut's Center for Reproductive Immunology different? We focus on one of the most overlooked aspects of pregnancy loss, the immune system. Our center offers highly specialized, compassionate care for couples facing recurrent miscarriage, repeated IVF failures, and unexplained infertility. Here's what we do differently. We begin with an in-depth review of your medical history, pregnancy patterns, and even subtle signs that may have been missed. We then go beyond conventional protocols. We investigate immunological factors, because we've seen time and again that immune issues are at the core of many unexplained pregnancy losses. So then, what is the role of reproductive immunology? Let me explain this simply. Your immune system is designed to protect you and the pregnancy, but in some cases it can overreact during pregnancy. It might wrongly identify the embryo as an invader and mount an attack. This can be the reason behind early miscarriages, biochemical pregnancies, IVF failures after good embryos. These are not random. They often point to immune imbalance, immune disturbances, natural killer cell overactivity. Reproductive immunology is the science that studies this intricate relationship. At our center, we truly focus on this field. With tests like cytokine profiling, lymphocyte cross-match, peripheral natural killer cell levels, we identify the exact cause and offer treatments like our patented Immulit protocol, designed to restore immune tolerance. What happens during your first consultation with us? Many patients ask, what happens when I walk into your clinic? Here's what to expect. A detailed, private conversation about your journey so far, including your past miscarriages, IVF cycles, any known condition, blood investigations, which may include the thrombophilia panel, autoimmune antibodies screening. If a lymphocyte cross-match is done, a TNF-alpha level is done, NK cell analysis is done, a possible ultrasound, hysteroscopy, if uterine factors are suspected, and then we sit down with you. Not just to share test results, but to explain them, to answer every question, and to lay out a personalized treatment roadmap. We believe clarity is healing. That's why we spend time. We don't rush this. So don't wait. Seek expert help. Recurrent miscarriage can feel like the end of a dream, but with the right diagnosis and targeted treatment, it can be a new beginning. At our center, we've had the privilege of walking alongside hundreds of couples, many of whom were told they had unexplained infertility or bad luck, and helping them build families they longed for. The difference was not just medicine, it was timely intervention, specialized knowledge, and compassionate care. So please, if you or anyone you know or you love is navigating this difficult journey, don't wait. Don't give up. Reach out. We are here and we can help. So in conclusion, every heartbeat matters. If you're watching this video, the chances are you or someone you care about is holding on to hope and wondering if that hope still has a chance. Let me reassure you, it does. At our center, we don't just treat numbers, tests and reports. We walk with real couples with real pain and real hope. Every heartbeat matters and every journey deserves care. And every loss deserves answers. To contact Dr. Raut Center for Reproductive Immunology, you can visit our website www.icprm.in or call us on +91 9833 201522 to schedule a consultation. You can follow us also on Instagram and Facebook. Thank you for watching this video, and I'm asking you at least to share it with one couple whom you think would benefit from this treatment. You may change a life forever.